Hello, this is Jinju at kimchimari.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ssamjang. We use Ssamjang mostly for Korean barbecues like you see here. You know, we'd love to make some with it, with some rice, some little meat, the lovely Ssamjang, and I'd like to also add some pickles in there, and it's a wonderful way to enjoy Korean barbecue. So let's get started. 2 tablespoons of doenjang, soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and then some sesame oil. Also, then we're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. It smooths out this flavor really well. So we're going to mix that all in, and then we're going to add some extra firm tofu crumbles. That's to lighten it up because it can be a little too salty. I also added some chopped green chili peppers, some green onion, and then some sesame seeds. So it's a whole way to kind of balance out the salty and the funkiness of doenjang and gochujang. And I also added a little bit of sugar, like a teaspoon, about a 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. And the important thing is because doenjang and gochujang all have different level of saltiness, you should taste it. So here I decided, it's a little salty, so I'm going to add more tofu crumbles. So whenever you feel that it's too salty, you can add as much as, sometimes I add about 3 tablespoons. Here I think I added about 2. And then if you like things a little sweet, you can also add some maple syrup or green plum syrup. That adds a great touch to it. It adds a little bit of tanginess, and it really makes it even better tasting. I sometimes also add dried garlic powder and dried onion powder if I don't feel like chopping garlic, although fresh garlic is better. So there, it's all done. It's really wonderful this way. And here I'm going to show you how I would make some with it. So I love perilla leaves. You don't have to have that. Some lettuce, any kind of greens that you like. Add some rice, some grilled meats. This is just unmarinated grilled meat. Raw garlic, I love that. Some people, it may be too strong, so that's optional definitely. And add some ssamjang, and then you just wrap it up, and hopefully you can fit it all in your mouth. And it's absolutely yummy. Another way to enjoy ssamjang is actually make a plate of veggies like cucumbers, carrots. Also, Koreans love to dip chili peppers, green chili peppers, in ssamjang and eat it. Just bite off from the whole pepper like that. That just brings me back to my childhood days. That's how we ate it in the summer. Here's a quick video from last summer. These are veggies that I grew, some chrysanthemum leaves, sukkat. That's also great for some red leaf lettuce. And here I have some plain grilled beef slices and some oyster mushrooms, and you can all add that with the ssamjang. And here I have some chive salad too. Works wonderfully together. And here's my husband showing you how you can all fit it in your mouth. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.